Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize your HUD in Forza Horizon 6. So, as you can see on the screen, I have quite a, standard HUD, and I just have the map, the analog speedometer, and just my rev meter. Now, if I wanted to change any of these, all I'll need to do is open my pause menu and navigate to settings. Then within the HUD and gameplay tab, if you just scroll down, you can see all of these options relate to your HUD. If I wanted to change my speedometer from analog to digital or off, I'll do it here. If I wanted to change the units, I'll just do it here. Power units, spring units, and there are many more options. Have a play around and see what suits you the best. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know what you'd like to see in the next video. See ya.